Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm so excited to share what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for November. We've got Wrap It Up for Christmas. And the Wrap It Up for Christmas class, it features the gift wrapped bundle from Stampin' Up. Gift wrapped is a 12-piece photopolymer stamp set bundled up with the gift bow builder punch, and that is the star of our show here. In the Wrap It Up for Christmas class, you will make 5 projects. We've got an awesome little candy cane pocket. I love this new design. See, no bulge. Have you ever made a pocket and then put something round in it and then the whole thing bulged? We got a brand new design here for you. Got a cute little caramel claws in his sweet little throne. Fantastic gift pocket. This is exactly sized for your gift card giving needs. Our little, I love this. It looks like a lunchbox. This is a candy cane chapstick box. And we've got our cookie box. So 5 projects. You can either put in some global shortbread, or you can fill this with a little parchment paper and your own homemade treats. That's our cookie box. There's 5 projects. You can take this class either online, $20, 5 projects, 5 videos, printable project sheets, full color photos, templates, source supply lists, everything that you need. Online only, it's $20. You can purchase that in the Kitchen Table Stamper store. Just follow the link below the video. If you want to take the class with the kits, as a to-go option, you get 5 kits, a half a package of the 'Tis the Season paper, a full spool of linen thread, a full spool of just jade ribbon, and a full package of the jingle bells included with your 5 kits. That class is $50. We're doing something a little bit new in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom with the pandemic. $50 is your to-go class kit, and it includes USPS priority shipping and $50 of insurance to you. If you'd like more insurance, or if you'd like to arrange for a porch pickup, you can contact me when you email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com and ask for the link. Now, the class that includes products and the kits for the projects, that $50 class, is only available for payment through the link that I email you. Because it includes Stampin' Up! Products, I can't put the link online. So you have to email me, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com, for the link for the to-go class. And when you email me, these products are included, but you can let me know if you want to add the gift wrap bundle. That will make your class $89, and that'll include shipping. I've also strongly featured the wrapped in texture embossing folders, and you'll do your own embossing in this class. I've embossed most of my little labels with these folders, and I love the detail that brings. If you'd like to add the wrapped in texture embossing folders, they've got a gorgeous weave texture and this little diamond texture. These are very general textures that you'll use again and again. Let me know that you'd like to add those. And my greetings for this class come from Itty Bitty Christmas. You can add the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set to your kit. If you'd like to purchase the online only option, say you're a demonstrator, you have a demonstrator you love who you order your supplies through, you don't live in the US, you already have these Stampin' Up! Supplies, and you just want the instructions, the online classroom, then you can go to KitchenTableStamper.com/shop and pick up the online class in the Kitchen Table Stamper store. The online class is currently in production and will open November 23rd. If you'd like to order the class kit with your pieces cut for you, your project kits ready to go, your supplies included, add the bundle, or add any of these supporting items, then just email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com and let me know what your order is. All right, you guys, I'm so excited to see you in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom. If you've got questions or to register, reach out, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com, and to purchase the online only version of the class, kitchentablestamper.com/shop. That's the place to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the online classroom.